Moka uniform, but ba commit a crime. Obisi utelejedi ngoma kam. Obinicha minwana ka raboots. We talk around ya kubina welwana. Obinicha minwana. Go and fight the real crime. Leave cliques and white racism to the EFF. We will deal with it. We will deal with white racists. We will put them to their place. There is no white man who is a racist who must feel comfortable in South Africa. Let us make racists uncomfortable in South Africa so that they take the next flight to Australia. Because there is no hope for racists here in South Africa.
Down with the brutal racist police, down. Down with the brutal cliques, down. Down with the racist metropolis, down. Down with the cowards from SIPS, down. Comrades, we are told here by some guy whose name is not on his badge. He comes here, he approaches me, he says there's more than 50 people here. That thing can't count, he can't count. He says he's giving us 5 minutes. He says he's giving us 5 minutes to disperse. Otherwise, we're going to get arrested. And I say to him, let him come and address us. I say to him, not more than 50 people. He says he gives us 5 minutes, otherwise we're going to get arrested. And we said to him, no, fine. He must bring it and come. He must come and arrest us. We're coming out here. He must do his job. We will do our job.